Hello, to una my better country people. How una dey? How everything dey go? I know say and I hope say everybody dey do fine, everybody dey well because God dey faithful. Na God create the world, no be human being create the world. So anything wey human being dey try to do, dem no go fit succeed. Dem no go fit use their hand destroy the world because no be dem create the world. Dem go only try, you go see traces, but dem no go fit succeed because no human being no get wetin e fit use create the world now. You no get now. Which audacity you get wey you fit use create the world? Na you create the world wey you wan destroy am with your own hands? Una go try, una go only try, but una no go succeed. Na God create the world, na only am fit destroy the world, na only am fit get final say for wetin go happen for the world. So dem go only try. Those ones wey dey sit down dey orchestrate war, orchestrate orishirishi to use take destroy the world, you no go fit. You go try but you no go succeed. So today I don come with another ogbonge discussion for my obodo people, my better correct people. Make we carry matter mouth come for this tori wey dey ground so. Because una see so, for this life, when you see where you come from, you see the kind place where you dey come from, you view am, you see am, you know the kind place where you come from, you sit down, you reason am, you go come give yourself sense say no be everything wey you see for there you go inherit, especially the negative ones, the bad ones. I dey talk to the ones wey get sense. You know say some kind people dey this life now, dem no wan get sense. Even as dem don old reach, dem dey wan enter grave, dem no wan get sense. But some kind my better people there be say dem get sense for this life. You go sit down look and reason am, do plus and minus, say for this place where I comot from, e get some kind negative things, bad things wey I dey see. I no wan inherit am. I wan inherit, see wetin I desire to inherit, even though you know dey I go work towards to get am. But some people dey, I no know whether na nkpo forete na im dey worry dem. No say dem say for things of my papa house, my mama house, na im dey worry dem. I dey speak am for Akwa Ibom, dem say nkpo forete nkpo foreka dey worry some of dem. You see them, I no know, and you know say something dey work against you wey dey negative, you no go fight yourself to break yourself out. You just dey relax. Some people dey this life, they go see their situation say the thing no be anything to write home about. Where dem comot from to na place where be say you no fit write any good thing about. Then too go still come dey add to their problem. Dem go still dey worsen their case. Dem go still dey make the case the worst. Or if there's any other word like worster, they will make the case the worst for their self. Then when dem come see say you don try your best for them, to help them for life, you have sacrificed a lot with the little where you sef dey try, dey struggle to stand on your ground. You have tried a lot to help them. Then you dey see say the person no dey encourage your effort. You go just tire. You go just say make you no come die because of all this wahala. Make you just dey fed up because their attitude is not encouraging you to keep helping them, to keep seeing how you can make them to at least become somebody for life. You just stay fed up with their attitude and everything that is happening around. You just leave them, comot eye like say you no dey see them. You go come be like say maybe you be wicked person, or you no good, or you go come be like say you abandon them. you no abandon them. I'm talking to the category of people for this life where we say you see the kind foundation you comot from, the kind family you comot from. I dey talk to the Africans, so I no know about the American people, I no know about the white people, but to my own little observation wey I don see for some of my African country people, you see say where you comot from e no get head. You go see am with your korokoro eye, e no hide o. You go see am, you go feel am, because na you come out from there, na you struggle, na you know as e be. Then you no go do anything to help yourself. Say, where I comot so, why I dey see so, I no like the place, make I try strive, ma see how I go fit struggle. At least even though I strive, I struggle, e no work, make God, at least my mind go rest more. I go get sweet mind, say at least I see where I comot from and I make efforts to get changes, better changes. God sef go dey happy with you, say you see am and you try, you make effort, but unfortunately the thing no work. You go just accept and say na destiny, or na so God decide and say e go be for you. Na your faith, na your faith. Faith no be faith, fate, na your faith. You go just accept and say na your faith. You go dey this life, you go comot for foundation, you go comot for family, no get head. You no go help yourself, you no go try how you go see, how you go speak for yourself, how you go come out, how you go dey put yourself, dey hustle, how you go dey do one or two plus and minus to see how you go at least your own side go still arrange small, you go still break out small. You no go help you. Person go come see you for the family, you go come look and say, this person situation no good, may I see wetin I fit do. At least I don't have much, I'm struggling as well, but may I see how I go fit assist, make this person still stand small, then come find wetin you go dey do wey go make am at least fit afford some kind of things for im life. The person go come try, you sef with your own character again, you go still use your own character spoil everything, discourage the person with your bad character. You come be like say na cause dem swear for you, like say your life you don't want better, dem use am curse you, dem use na tag, you carry am for your head like load, and you know, and you no wan help yourself. The person go just tire for you, go just dey fed up. No be na something wey dey happen for years. Na experience I dey talk about, I no dey talk about wetin I no know. Some people just dey this life, they are just annoying. Dem no wan just do anything to help their situation. They just wan live life of liability, life of dependent. Na person go dey do for you every time, person go dey do for you, and you no dey help yourself. The person go dey try, dey struggle, dey see how e go make you stand up, but you no dey help matter, you dey worsen matter. Every effort wey the person dey do, at the end of the day, e go still see zero. You go return back to zero. You go return back to zero. You no dey help matter at all. The person go dey try make you see how you go fit dey, at least dey in a place where you fit get source of income. Nothing is too small wey be say at least that one go dey assist you, dey sort you out for some things. You go dey bring the person effort to zero. For this life, dem never see any record say e get one thing where you start, where you end am well. E get one thing where you start, when at the end of the day you get good results to show for am. Dem never see. Dem never see any good record. And you know say where you comot from na struggle, na striving, and you no wan help yourself. Dem dey advise you. Everybody wey dey think good of you, wey want make e better for you, dem go sit you down advise you. Dem go talk, go be like who pour water on top fowl feather, e go roll comot. Dem go leave the advice, still say maybe as dem no dey do moral support, the advice no dey work. Make dem still, as dem advise you, make dem still add moral support join am. Dem go add moral support in their own little capacity. Everything go still turn zero for that kind of situation, wetin you want the person to do, the family member to do? You want the family member to kill himself for you until before you go know say e dey try to make sure say things change around you. E dey try to make sure say things change around you. There is a shift in your path. Make the family member kill himself for you. Make the family member die before you know say e dey try make things adjust for your side, for your angle. Which kind life you come? You just dey live a life of dependence. You just be somebody wey be say you be waste. You just be waste, a bunch, abi a bag, a sack of waste. Na you just be. Whether na your destiny, I no know. Whether na wetin you come this life to do, I no just know. You see say your condition no dey okay. You no dey make any effort make person sef start from far dey view you, dey see say dey observe this person. This person see say im matter, im situation, e no dey help o. E dey try, dey strive, dey make sure say things better for am. For that one, I'm encouraged. You no dey do anything like that, but dem no send. Dem still carry am upon themselves say make dem try see advise you, make dem still add moral support to the advice, see whether things go turn around for you. You dey bring everything to nothing. Why are you a bag of a destruction, a bag of destroying, a bag of destruction? Why are you as a human being, you come this life, you see say your situation no help, no way for that place, and you see and you know, no be say you no know. They don't advise you. People wey love you don't advise you. They don't sit you down. They don't bring out to you. You know, say some people they go through problem. They don't even realize say that they go through that kind of problem. But your own, they don't bring out to your notice. You self don't still use your mouth, open and talk and say, you know, say you come from this place, and you know, say this thing now they limit you. You know, you use your mouth talk am. Then you just, as the effort where everyone around you wey care about you dey make you still break out. You dey frustrate the people efforts. Why you just decide for your life say you come this life, you no wan just be add to wetin God give you. You just become an empty bag, a bag wey get a bag of destruction. You are just a bag of destruction. Nothing good comes from you. No matter how people try, they care about you, they try to make effort to see things to turn around for where you dey. At the end of the day, everything go end zero. And you too, you know the help matter. Why you just decide say now so you want your life to be, and you want make people wey care about you, where they try, make them still come, they do till they kpai for on top your head, on top your matter. Everybody come this life per head. You don't decide say na your destiny, na wetin you choose. God create you come this life. You just decide say the little talent wey He put inside you, you no wan carry anything hard, go give am in return. Say Papa, I don add, make the talent plus na zero, empty. You be empty sack. Abeg, no come dey carry bad belle say they don abandon you, your family member don abandon you, because everybody don tire. Everybody don tire. So to people for the world wey get that kind attitude, you get a life of dependence, liability. You no wan help your situation. You dey expect make every time person dey do for you. If you like, change your mentality. If you no like, no change am. E concern you. Na you sabi. Na you sabi o. Abeg, my correct better people, make una dey take good care of una self. Make una continue to dey bear quality character. Kisses to una. Bye o.